Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So, which fuse we need to check for the oil pressure control solenoid? This is, guys, a 2016 Ford F-150 that we'll demonstrate on. We have two fuse boxes. We'll need to work on the fuse box that's right under the hood. Once you open your hood, guys, this is your engine bay, and if we zoom in a little bit, this is your car battery. Right behind it, guys, okay, will be a fuse cover. You open that box there. Once you open that fuse box, you're going to see a fuse layout that looks just like that. This will be towards the front of your F-150. This is towards the windshield side right here, guys. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, here you will have all kinds of fuses, relays, that if you're stuck in the middle of nowhere, if you're in a small town, or if you guys go to a parts store, they can be ridiculously overpriced or hard to find. Okay, we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping. Check it out, guys, for your convenience. We always keep some spares in the glove box for peace of mind. This is, guys, okay, what we need right here, that fuse panel for the oil pressure control solenoid will come in that right row here. From bottom to top, we're going to count the third fuse, which is known as fuse number 97, guys, right here, that you will need to check specifically, that 10M fuse. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.